after feeling great for months. Why do I always try and put the seatbelt on as soon as I start vlogging? Coughed up blood last night. Well, coughed up is still the wrong word. It's not like you're coughing. It just comes up. And the worst part is, you're then reminded that you're ill. So I'm off to Canterbury to go and pick something up for my dad. And I've got to bring these with me. These are tablets I take in case I start bleeding, coughing. It's to clot my blood so I don't bleed to death. I've arrived. The thing about having a chronic illness, or say my specific chronic illness, you're never far away from that thought of, is today the day? Is today the day that is my last day? So I coughed up blood, or brought up blood last night. So then my thought process today is all consuming. It's all you can think about. Like my lungs are hurting at the moment, and it's a case of, are my lungs actually hurting? Am I over exaggerating? Is it just I've got a chest infection? Do my lungs normally hurt as much as they do now? Like your mind just runs away with itself. You feel like you need to cough, and then whenever I cough, I'm like, well, what if this is blood? Then you feel something in your throat. You're like, is this blood? It's like torture. It really is like a mental torture, just wearing you down gradually and gradually. There is no respite from it. There's never a day where I don't have those type of thoughts. It's just tiring. But I've arrived in Canterbury and I'm off to go get my dad too. He needs a new phone. Could have got a lift. Better get the stairs. Good. Stunned me. It looks like get off people, but let's see how out of breath I am. It's hilarious. I just saw a woman who was probably 90 walk upstairs and not sound like this. It's been 7 minutes and I still haven't recovered. Walking up, I don't know how many flights it was, but it wasn't loads. It's only 3 levels, so it's no more than 40 foot. I found a Whole Foods, which is good. Well, sort of like a Whole Foods. It's an organic Whole Foods shop in Canterbury. And I got, where is it? Black water. This is black water. Like the liquid's black. That's not a tub. That's not a plastic cover, I should say. That is actually the water. I'm back home, and there's been a terrorist attack in London. And it feels a little bit selfish that there I am, obviously worrying because I've been coughing up blood. I don't know if selfish is the right word, but it just sort of forces home that you don't even know, do you? You can be really, really ill, and you could survive the day, and you could be completely and utterly healthy, and your life can be taken away, just like that. I know it's not always easy to think of those things, and I'm definitely struggling with it today. But you just never know, do you? You just never know. Thoughts and prayers really to those that are involved. It must be an horrific experience to be through, to witness, to be a part of, or to lose something through something like that. Yeah, scary really. I've been in bed, migraine, but now I've got a Facebook Live, so good. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fun.